Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at this. It's the new 70 Mi. It's an Omni. It's the dash cam of the future. This thing's absolutely fantastic. Beautiful screen built right into it. It has collision detection. It will record as soon as there's a collision and even go back a couple seconds to make sure that you have a permanent record of what happened. It has night vision that is crystal clear, that will amaze your eyes at how beautiful this looks at night. On top of that, it has AI motion detection to see when you're parked. If somebody's scoping out your car, it's going to watch them and hopefully deter that crime. So let's go ahead and check it out with a fantastic video about an incredible product. This fantastic product from the company called 70 Mi, which has been around since 2016. They've sold millions of dash cams in over 100 countries. Now, this is the hardwire kit. This allows you to hardwire the product to your car battery to where even if you shut off your car, you're still going to be able to track people parking around you. It's so neat. It has a sensor to where it'll track cars. The 360 camera will move and track things moving around your vehicle. That is super fantastic. I don't know if I'm going to install that or not, but it's so cool that that is an option. So, holy cow, this thing is way more petite than we would have ever thought, right? Let me pull this out here so you can really see it. Boop, boop. How cool is that, right? You've got the lens right here. And the thing is, they have put a lot of effort into a really high-quality lens. Look at the little... Let me get that on camera for you. Look at the little infographic stuff there. That's cute. They did a good job with this. All right. So I already know I'm not going to be able to do this thing justice because there's so many options, right? The 360 recording, it's got a camera right here that will circle around and follow and track what you need it to track. This thing is fantastic. It's the first 360-degree full view dash cam, and it will maximize the surveillance and intelligently avoid road-related accidents. It's going to help you become a better driver. It's got motion detection. Yeah, it's going to be able to tell, it's going to give you a notification if there's like a person, if there's a car, if there's potentially danger, if you're going out of a lane, things like that. Self-developed AI detection algorithm that can accurately detect a person's suspicious behavior during parking, triggering the emergency recording, and it's got collision detection. That means if you're driving, it will record those collisions so nobody can change the story of what happened after the event. It's got 24-hour park surveillance and time-lapse recording. The Omni shoots a still picture every second during parking and compresses every 30 minutes into 1 minute. It's got superb night vision. The night vision is actually pretty good based on what I've seen on this thing. And it does a great job. It's best-in-class night vision, empowered by PureCell Plus S HDR. So yeah, okay. So what else do we have in the box? A lot of people like to know exactly what they're getting. Looks like you're getting plenty. Double adhesive for mounting. Omni dash cam, probably the wires. Really easy to set up from what I've seen. You just have to, you've got the USB-C on this side, USB-A there. For mounting, and this just plugs right into your lighter. So, or I don't think they call them lighters anymore, but you know what I'm talking about. And then the instruction manual is easy to read and in English. I like when they spend the time to get something written by English speakers. So it's the dash cam, the model X200, 1920 by 1080, that's full HD. 140-degree lens, 300 mAh battery. That's a significant battery to where it'll run even if it's not plugged in for a generous amount of time. 5-volt, 2-amp power supply. It's a car cigarette lighter, and it's a lithium polymer battery, which is improved from lithium-ion battery. So, folks, I'm super excited about this. I can't wait to get started. Got to show you that lens. Look at that beautiful lens right there. A very fantastic product, great design. You can see there's the USB-C, and yeah, it's going to be fantastic. I always wait to turn it on until I've got any of the apps installed and things of the sort. But yeah, folks, if you're looking for something that is the bee's knees, that is the cat's pajamas, that's the cat's meow, That's the future. View into the future with this fantastic dash cam. Let me see if I can get it all in one shot right there. Holy cow, folks. I'm so excited about this, and you will be too. I'm in love with this thing. I love how it's got that 360-degree rotation. It's got that AI vehicle security guard, and you can hardwire it into your battery to where it'll keep running even when you're parked. Now, the Omni has a no blind spot 360 camera with a 340-degree swivel design and 140-degree field of view. It's great to help prevent car robbery, window smashing, vandalism. Suspects, like if somebody sees that camera's watching them, they're not going to do anything to your car. You know that. It's got a large aperture that's perfect for night vision. It's like movie quality vision. It's fantastic. It's got the enhanced frame rate of 60 frames per second to give clear license plate reading and things like that. All right, folks, pick yours up. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching, and adios, my friends. Goodbye, my friends.